Hey guys, we're in a 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper, and I think maybe the 2025 might have this too, but in the back, your back passengers, if they want to, they can make the seats recline a little bit. So, you know, they're not just set in position, but they can go back a little bit. So if your passengers back there are a little bit uncomfortable and they want to recline, what they can do is use the console here to easily make the seat go back. Let me show you guys. So to make the seat go back, if you go down here to the bottom, there's a little seat icon. Just press that button and you get this seat display, and you can make the front seat here go forward. Let's try that. Even more leg room. It's pretty cool. And you can make it go back. You can fold it down if you needed to put in some storage. And this little button here allows you to either bring the seat more upright or more back. Okay, I'm gonna press that. We can hear it. I'll show you guys. Turn the camera around here. Okay, I'm gonna press it to the more reclined position. You guys see that? So it's going back a little further. And this is maybe the passenger wants to be more upright. So then they would press this upper button. Let's do that. And then we can see the seat will come forward a little bit. So more upright. That's pretty cool. And then you also have things you can do here, like you can turn on your heat for the seat to make it warmer. And then you can see that the seat that can move forward or backward is only the front passenger one, but not the other seats. So pretty cool. Also in the front, you can also control the seats with this little button. Press that one, then press seats. And now from here, you can control the hot or cold coming out of the vents in the seat to either cool you down or heat you up. And you can move the passenger seat back and forth. That button. And then you can fold the seats down if you want to put in some cargo. Press the fold button. And that'll move the passenger seat forward a little bit, and it'll bring that down. And you can also do the same thing for the driver's side. So really cool seats. It can do a lot. Just fun to see how the controls work. So if you wanted to make sure that the kids in the back aren't moving the seats around, I don't think they're able to move while you're driving. I think it's only when you're parked. But also you can press this child lock button right here. It'll turn blue, and that means that the controls are locked. So much for watching our video. Please leave any comments or questions in the comment section below. Really appreciate that. We have a really nice video coming up for you right here that I think you'll enjoy. Very similar, dealing with a
Tesla repair.
Thanks again for watching our video.